hello, good day, good morning, or good evening, whenever the time. Together we'll grow.
Hi everyone, and welcome to the New York Kids Club. I'm Enzo, and I love to learn. Today I want to learn about cooking and food. I have all this food from the farmer's market, but I don't know what to do with any of it.
Hi, Enzo.
Oh, hi Aris. I have all this food that I got at the market in my bag, but I don't know what to do with any of it.
May I see what you have?
Oh, sure.
Wow, you have some really delicious food in here. Fruits and vegetables,
Yeah.
beans and hummus. Wow, this is a beautiful red pepper.
A pepper? Is that what that is?
Yeah.
Pepper.
Peppers come in all different sizes and colors.
I had no idea. Well, what am I supposed to do with the pepper?
I know someone that can help. Come on, everyone, follow me inside.
Hi everybody, we're at the New York Kids Club. We have Pongo, Sammy, and Aris. Say hi everybody.
Hi.
We're gonna play a game. I want you to play with us. It's called Food Trivia. Really exciting. Aris, pick a card. You get to go first.
Ooh, I get to go first. There's a card for me. Find a carrot in the bowl. Where's the carrot? Carrot. There's the carrot. Let's see. Do carrots grow up in a tree or under the ground? Do you know, Enzo? Maybe they know.
Do you know?
That's right! Under the ground. Good job.
Oh, my turn.
Right, it's your turn, Enzo.
Great game. Find the avocado in the bowl. Okay. Avocado. Avocado.
Avocado.
I think it's...
Is this it?
Is this the avocado? Yeah, this is the avocado. Oh, there's another question on my card. Is it a fruit or a vegetable? Is the avocado a fruit or a vegetable? Yeah, it's a fruit. You can always tell fruits because inside the fruit is a seed. And an avocado has a really big seed inside. Sometimes we call it a pit. Avocado. Find the bell pepper in the bowl. Bell pepper. Do you think it rings? Ding. Okay, bell pepper, bell pepper, bell pepper. I think I see it. It's yellow. Is this the bell pepper? Pongo says yeah.
Good job.
Is the bell pepper a fruit or a vegetable? Does it have seeds inside? It does have seeds, so you know it's a fruit. Good one.
Oh, can I go again?
Your turn.
All right, let's see. Oh, no.
You got it?
There we are. Find a tomato. Thank you, Sammy. Find a tomato in the bowl. Let's see. Tomato, tomato, tomato. There we are. A red tomato. Let's see. Is a tomato a fruit or a vegetable?
That's a tough one.
That is a tough one.
Does it have seeds?
It does have seeds. I think it's a fruit.
Ding, ding, ding.
Good job, everyone.
Oh, my turn. Find the grapes in the bowl.
Oh,
Grapes.
I
think they might be... Oh, I see them. They're way down in the bottom.
They're hiding.
Oh, whoa, there they are. Okay, do grapes grow in a tree? I don't think so. Do they? No. Do they grow in the ground? Like the carrot?
That doesn't sound right.
No. Pongo, do you know? That's right. Grapes grow on a vine. On a vine. Oh,
Good job.
Pongo, not yet. This is for the game first, then we can eat the grapes. Yeah, I know you like grapes.
I got another one.
Oh, good.
Find an apple in the bowl. Let's find an apple. That's grapes.
These are the grapes.
Eggplant. Bell pepper. Carrot. Tomato. Avocado.
There it is.
An apple. Good. All right. What do you call the center of an apple? It's the core. Good job, everybody.
Say it, sign it, sing it.
Food. Food. Food.
Hi everybody, I'm in a supermarket with Sammy the Snail. This afternoon, I'm gonna make lunch with my friend Wes, but we have to buy everything on this list. We're gonna go around the supermarket and it's gonna be like a food scavenger hunt. So help me out, Sammy. We need carrots, red bell peppers, whole wheat bread, goat cheese, and avocado. Can we do it, Sammy? All right, everyone, follow me. We're gonna find all of our ingredients. Come on. Everyone, let's buy our stuff and make our sandwiches with Wes. Come on! Hi everybody, welcome. We are in Park Slope, Brooklyn, New York at my friend Wes's house. Say hi to everyone, Wes. Today we are going to make a nutritious, delicious sandwich. But first things first, we have to wash our hands. Did you wash your hands?
Yes.
Show me. Front side, back side, high five. Oh, we backside high five. And you have to wash your hands at home too. Now, when we're making our sandwiches, you have to get an adult to help you because we have a lot of things we're going to need their help for. So go ahead, get an adult. Excellent, cool. All right, so to make our sandwich, we're going to have to use some tools. We have this. This is a grater. We're going to use this to grate the carrots. We also have a knife. We need that to cut the pepper and the avocado. Wes, can you show us how to properly hold a knife, please? Awesome. See how Wes is holding it by the handle. We like to sing a little song. It helps us remember how to keep our hands away from the blade. It's hold and cut, watch out for your fingers. Cool. All right, let's put these sandwiches together. What should we do first, Wes?
Make it.
Yeah, let's make it. All right, let's get some bread. I'll take 2, you take 2. Ooh, let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Okay, so let's get some goat cheese. I'm gonna give you some goat cheese and you can spread it on that half of the bread. Here's a little bit of goat cheese. Grab that knife. I know you know how to use it. And we'll start spreading the goat cheese. Go ahead, start spreading. A little bit more for you. I'll take some goat cheese on my bread. Good, very good. All right, what should we do next? We just spread the goat cheese, and now we have avocado, red pepper, or carrots.
Carrot.
Carrots. Okay, so with carrots, we need to use this. You have one over there. We're gonna do it together. So this is called a grater. Now there's a lot of different sides to this grater. Right, so let's use the little one. You see the little baby ones? Does this one have one? Yeah, let's use this side here. So we'll put the knife down here, put that on your plate. I'll do this one here. We're gonna take the carrot and we're gonna run it up and down on the grater. And what this does is it cuts the carrots into little tiny slivers. Here, you hold it. You hold the carrot, you hold this with your hand, and up and down. That's right. Nice. Not too fast, too. You want to be careful not to get your fingers too close to that grater because that grater is really just a lot of little knives, so be careful. All right, let's stop for a second, see how we did. Whoa, look at that. Good, let's keep going. I think we got some more we can do. Good, you keep going with that. I'm gonna do this one there. Watch out for those fingers now. Good, make sure you turn it this way. That's it. All right, why don't you stop, lift up the grater and see how you did. Very cool. All right, let's shake that off. Put those carrots onto your sandwich. Just put the grater off to the side. Sprinkle those carrots onto your sandwich. All right, so we have our goat cheese, we have our grated carrots, we have 2 more ingredients to go. What should we do next, the avocado or the red pepper?
Red pepper.
Red pepper it is. Now, I have a question for you. It's a trick question. Is a red pepper a fruit or a vegetable?
Fruit.
It is! Now, how did you know it was a fruit, Wes? You can always tell a fruit because inside the fruit are seeds. You got it. Look at all those seeds. So we're going to cut little bits of this pepper off. Yeah. Teeth on the pepper. We're going to cut some of this pepper. And now use your knife to cut it even smaller. So that when it goes onto your sandwich, it's going to be little tiny bites. That's it. When it comes to any vegetable that you get from the store, you want to make sure that you wash it. You wash the pepper, you wash the carrots, and you also have to peel the carrots first. You can tell these carrots, we peeled them before. How's it going? Oh, nice! I'm gonna sing my song again because I love it. Hold and cut, watch out for your fingers. Look at all those seeds. That's a beautiful pepper. Looks good. All right, last ingredient is what?
Avocado.
Is the avocado a fruit or a vegetable? Yeah, how do you know? Yes, you do. What's inside? That's right. Now, unlike the red pepper, the avocado doesn't have a bunch of seeds. It has one big seed. Now, here's a trick. I want to show you something. To get the seed out, or the pit, you hold the avocado, preferably with something underneath it, give it a tap, give the pit a twist, and it comes right out. Now all you have is the awesome green, fleshy, delicious fruit of the avocado. I'm gonna scoop some of this out and I'm gonna put it right on your sandwich. When I do, you can spread it around with your knife. Now this is one of those things you're gonna wanna use your adults here, children, because using a knife to cut the avocado could be a little dangerous. This is a great avocado, super ripe. Take your knife, Wes, and spread that avocado around your sandwich. Beautiful. All right, we have all of our ingredients on our sandwich. We have our bread. Oh, just to top it off, we have some salt and some pepper. Do you know how to put the salt on? Yes. Go for it. You do the salt. Do some on mine too, please. Excellent. I'll do the pepper. Some on yours. Thanks. Now let's do a little shake. Oh. Dance it out, Wes. Dance it out. All right. All right. All right, let's put that last piece on top. Right there. And we have our avocado, goat cheese. What you got? Oh, that's all right. We washed them, so we're all good. We have avocado, goat cheese, carrots, and pepper sandwiches. All right, Wes. I'm gonna take a giant bite of our sandwich. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready? Here we go. It's good. It's very good. Bon appetit, everyone. Thank you, Wes. Thanks, everyone. Thank you for joining me today. I had so much fun learning about food and cooking. What did you learn today? So keep learning, keep trying, never give up. And remember, together we grow.
Goodbye, see you later. Alligator in a wild crocodile. So long, sayonara, see you tomorrow. We're glad we made you smile.